Are you planning your next adventure in a caravan and you have no idea what it's all about or what to expect or what can happen? Then I recommend you to watch this episode where we bring a few highlights of what happened to us. Welcome to the Nyland's Caravan Adventures. We are the crazy family who sold everything and bought a caravan and are traveling through Europe. Feel curious? I sure do. Please join us. Everything gets super dirty really quickly. I don't get it. Welcome to our caravan. This is what it looks like. It's time to clean. Everything gets so dirty so quickly, and it's a tough space to clean since everything is really narrow and small. When the husband gets the itch to clean, it's super dirty in our caravan, especially close to the ventilation holes. Fresh and nice. How sweaty are you?
Super sweaty.
Super sweaty. Yeah, love it. Actually, I do love it. Where are you going? Hello! Yeah, it's black in there. Spider webs? Oh, yeah. We found
spider web.
We found Simon found a large spider yesterday. So that's why we're cleaning. You will need a SWAT. My SWAT. Most definitely. We have two. Simon has been attacked. Simon has been fighting all night and he lost the battle against the mosquitoes. How do you feel?
Itchy?
You look kind of swollen.
Yeah, it started to get a bit swollen in my eye.
Yeah, a bit. We strongly recommend SWATs. Even the car gets super dirty quickly since we spend a lot of time in that. And we have snacks and we travel and the kids get the snacks all over the place.
Oi.
Yeah, dirty. Maintaining your caravan. Lots of fun, lots of work. Let's get it on.
A great day for some Washington. This is not sponsored.
Don't do this at home, kids.
Ska du upp på taket?
Eller?
Men det håller det väl inte för. Ramla inte och slå ihjäl dig nu, va? Hur känns det? Håller det?
Jodå, men det håller.
Hej.
Jag tänkte jag ska pour some of these stuff out.
Here you can see that the window has started to crack a bit. This is easily fixed with wax. So just regular car wax. You rub it in, leave it, and dry it off.
Wax on, wax off.
Super good. So that's what we do for our windows. There's always something breaking. And parts just fall off the caravan from nowhere. Suddenly, poof, it's gone.
The heater, which fall off during one of the rides, which we tried to fix with duct tape.
And this is what holds up the blackout curtains. And these are starting to go now. Not just this one, but other ones as well. So we have this super handy paper piece. And we have another one here. And this one we taped. And you never know what's gonna break next.
We have this area where this rubber plasticky thing is supposed to sit here. It's like paper now. So it just fell off.
And more about the curtains, this one doesn't go up. apparently, if you leave the blackout curtains down and when you're driving, the spring breaks and then you can't pull them up or down. This curtain too is broken, so it's difficult to put all the way up. Caravanning is for the brave.
Ann ska nu alltså klättra upp för... Jag måste hålla i stegen. Ja. Som gammal dansare så lägger man upp benet. Måste bara visa hur högt det blev där.
One morning I woke up and it was leaking from the roof. There were droplets coming down from the hatch above the bed. And later we realized that it was actually leaking from the hatch above the kitchen as well.
We had a leak over here. So one day we just woke up realizing it was dripping water into the caravan.
And we had no idea we could actually open the roof hatch.
Ser det bra ut där uppe då?
So I went hunting for a ladder. I'm super scared of heights.
Ja. Va? Oj!
So for me it was scary, and Simon, he was just joking around all the time as usual.
Hej gänget, välkommen till mig och Sluttans vlogg. Ja, gilla dela. Ann här är precis på väg upp för stegen. Woohoo! Säg hej till publiken.
So it ended up that he had to get up there on the roof and fix the leaks. And this was during, I don't know if you can call it monsoon season, but it was raining a lot. So we barely managed to fix these leaks before it started pouring again.
Nu är Simon på taket. Känns det bra?
Hej gänget! Känns superbra.
Vad ska du på taket göra överhuvudtaget?
Ja, det kan man undra. Mest då för att min fru kanske inte riktigt vågade eller något sådär.
Men håller det för dig?
Det håller för mig.
So during a rainy day I had to climb up on the roof from the outside. We borrowed a ladder, I got up, tried to fix this as fast as I could before the water started pouring down on us. This seems like a good idea to refix it. Now when we know we can do it from here.
There's always something going wrong. You always have problems, and it's so much fun.
Glass är supergod. Men blommorna, de blir lite rädda för det. Men den här glassen smakar gott. Men när jag är färdig med min glass, då går jag hem. Nu är jag färdig, mamma.